This window air conditioner filter material was purchased from a local hardware store for about $15. It's a 30-inch by 62-inch piece of material that will be cut to the size needed in order to cover the inlet of the dehumidifier. A piece of paper was used as a pattern to cut out the material. I'll keep it with the extra material and I'll use it for cutting replacement pre-filters. Covers the inlet completely with about an inch or so of overlap on each side. About 4 months after taping on the pre-filter, this is what it looks like. Lots of dust. The AC pre-filter is just as bad. I used painter's tape because it usually comes off cleanly. This color is what I had on hand, but other colors of painter's tape are available. Since it did a good job of securing the pre-filter, I think I'll use it again. The reservoir doesn't look too dirty. The screen is a little dusty, but nowhere near as bad as it would be without the pre-filter. The main thing is that these coils remain clean for as long as possible. A larger air purifier for the workshop might help, but I think it may be almost time to look for a dehumidifier design that makes it easy to access and clean the coils. I believe this pre-filter material will get clogged up with dust a lot faster than the filter screen will, so I need to keep an eye on it. Otherwise it could limit the airflow through the dehumidifier and cause it to overheat, which might be a fire hazard, so I'll change them often enough to prevent that. Thanks for watching.